Welcome to Networks Professional, the Cisco Networking Academy. In the current evolving digital era, a major threat businesses are facing is from cyber criminals. The ever-evolving e-commerce ecosystem has introduced new technologies such as the cloud-based computing environment. The series of recent security breaches have alarmed organizations into recognizing the need for efficient information security systems. Ethical hacking allows organizations to objectively analyze their current security posture. Understand cyber kill chain methodology. The cyber kill chain is an efficient and effective way of illustrating how an adversary can attack the target organization. This model helps organizations understand the various possible threats at every stage of an attack and the necessary countermeasures to defend against such attacks. Cyber kill chain methodology. The cyber kill chain methodology is a component of intelligence-driven defense for the identification and prevention of malicious intrusion activities. This methodology helps security professionals in identifying the steps that adversaries follow in order to accomplish their goals. The cyber kill chain is a framework developed for securing cyberspace based on the concept of military kill chains. Reconnaissance. An adversary performs reconnaissance to collect as much information about the target as possible to probe for weak points before actually attacking. Weaponization. The adversary analyzes the data collected in the previous stage to identify the vulnerabilities and techniques that can exploit and gain unauthorized access to the target organization. Delivery. Its payload is transmitted to the intended victims as an email attachment, via a malicious link on websites, or through a vulnerable web application or USB drive. Exploitation. After the weapon is transmitted to the intended victim, exploitation triggers the adversary's malicious code to exploit a vulnerability in the operating system, application, or server on a target system. Installation. The adversary downloads and installs more malicious software on the target system to maintain access to the target network for an extended period. Command and control. The adversary creates a command and control channel, which establishes two-way communication between the victim's system and adversary-controlled server to communicate and pass data back and forth. Actions on objectives. The adversary controls the victim's system from a remote location and finally accomplishes their intended goals. Thanks for watching Networks Professionals.